So I'm gonna ask you some questions I just asked a moment ago, just to kind of make sure I fully understand, and just to check in. Is it all right with your unconscious mind for you to release this problem today and be aware of it consciously releasing?
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, cool. So walk me through again. What is it that you want to get rid of? What's the
Teeth grind.
teeth grind? Okay. So a moment ago we were talking about how do you know when it's time to grind your teeth, and you came up with.
Well, while I'm sleeping, so I said initially when I go to sleep that you help me see that it's probably happening around 3 a.m.
Around 3 a.m., that's what your unconscious mind is
I
kind of
think
saying. So, okay, cool. When you think of that, do you have a picture?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, excellent. Go ahead. So go ahead and, yeah. And can you feel, is there tension coming up right now when you think about that?
Oh, yeah.
I can see some. Okay, excellent. So save that picture
Okay.
later. Okay, go and clear the screen.
Okay.
Okay. And let's connect to what would you like to do instead?
I like to sleep in a relaxed state and breathe deeply while I sleep
Yeah,
and wake up rested. That's going to be part of this. I don't wake up feeling rested.
yeah,
So,
yeah. Because you're expending a lot of energy and stress and things like that as well. And just understand, so with this picture, you can visualize it, and you're also taking a deep breath. Can you do this for me now? Let's go ahead and step inside that picture. Step inside the
Should I
picture.
do one?
In your picture, and close your eyes.
Close mine.
And step into the picture, looking through your own eyes. And I want you to begin to adjust the submodalities. Maybe make it brighter, make it dimmer, make it softer, make it maybe a little fuzzier, turn it up, turn it down. Hear anything you need to hear. Hear anything you need to hear inside. That's it. And doing a deep breath, of course, along the way. And feel that inside. And feel any feelings you need to inside. And optimize any and all submodalities so it's maximally compelling for you. And let me know if you got it. Okay. Okay, excellent. Right. Go ahead and save that picture. Step out of that picture. Okay. Excellent. And save that. Clear the screen.
Okay.
Okay. And I want you to go ahead and bring to mind the picture of the old picture. Go ahead and bring to mind the picture of the old picture. You got that? Okay. And have that right in front of you. Okay. And
Should I
I want
close my eyes?
yeah, so close your eyes. Yeah. And go ahead and put the new picture in the lower left-hand corner. Yeah. Okay. So the old picture associated, look into your own eyes. Let's say 3 a.m. That stress that's there, all those triggers. And the new picture, which you want to do low left-hand corner, dark and dim and small. Okay. And in a moment, I'm going to count to 3. I'm going to say swish. At that point, I'd like to have the new picture explode big and bright on the screen, while the old picture shrinks simultaneously in the lower left-hand corner. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. It's an easy 1, 2, 3 switch. So you ready? 1, 2, 3, switch. Nice. Okay. Open your eyes. Excellent. Easy?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Close your eyes. We'll do it a couple more times. I'll check in after 5. We'll check in after
Okay.
5. Okay, cool. So go ahead and close your eyes. We'll set up again. So old picture, associated, look with your own eyes. New picture, lowest hand corner, dissociated. Okay, 1, 2, 3, swish. Okay. Good? Okay, open your eyes. Or start going a little faster. Okay? Because you already switched it, now then you're feeling it, right? That's what's happening. So, once again, close your eyes. Okay, old picture on the screen. Look with your own eyes. New picture on the left hand corner. 1, 2, 3, swish. Okay, excellent. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Old picture, associated. New picture, dissociated, lower left hand corner. 1, 2, 3, swish. Excellent. Okay, open your eyes. And then close it. One more time, we'll check it. Okay, it's getting harder, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Old picture, associated. New picture, lower left hand corner, dissociated. 1, 2, 3, swish. Excellent. Okay, open your eyes. Good job. So just check in,
Yeah.
right? How you feel now?
Great.
Already?
Yeah.
It's only 5. We're just kind of getting the practice down. I want to do at least 5 more to kind of
Okay.
really lock it in for you right there. So can you get, is the old picture different? Can you bring to mind the old picture? Tell me what's happening.
Yeah, it's different, it's harder to get there.
Harder to get there. And it's already starting to shift. Fantastic. Okay, cool. We'll set up again. Ready? Old picture,
Mhm.
associated, low left-hand corner, new picture associated. 1, 2, 3, swish. That's it. Excellent. Open, close, old picture, new picture, switch. Open, close, old picture, new picture, switch. Excellent. Open, close, old picture, new picture, switch. Excellent. Open, close, old picture, new picture, switch. Excellent. Open, close, old picture, new picture, switch. Okay, we're doing it faster 2 more times, just for fun, right? Okay, ready? Open, close, switch. Open, close, switch. You're confident as I do it, that's excellent. One more time. Open, close, switch. Excellent. Okay, it's only like 12, 13 times, so we can do more.
I want to go to sleep.
You wanna go to sleep?
Wow.
Okay, cool, good start.
Thank you.
Awesome. Well, let's check in, and
Okay.
we can do this absolutely 10 more times, we'll do whatever it takes.
Okay.
Yeah, so can you bring up the old picture,
I think it's really weak now.
Awesome, good deal, let's do it 5 more times. Okay, easy, ready? Old picture, new picture, 1, 2, 3, switch. That's it, faster. Open, close, switch. Open, close, switch. Open, close, switch. Open, close, switch. That's it. Open, close, switch. 2 more times. Open, close, switch. 1 more, last one. Open, close, switch. Okay,
Awesome.
excellent. Well, why are we up here?
I don't know.
Just checking. How
Wow.
does it feel?
Great.
Feels good? Okay, cool. So let's test. I mean, and yeah, whatever it takes, we'll do it.
Okay.
So how is it, can you bring up to mind the old picture?
Mhm.
Come on. What happens instead? What do you see?
Wow, so may I share a little bit?
Yeah.
Great. So I've been having the teeth, started with teeth pain, and then jaw pain, pain here. You've all probably noticed me playing with my eyes.
Yeah.
My eyes have been hurting. I've had eye issues lately. My eyes don't hurt anymore. That's
That's
awesome.
awesome. Good job. Awesome. So yeah, it can happen that easy. Awesome. Did you guys see his breathing, by the way?
Yeah.
One, he was practicing the breathing. It really became installed. I said, swish, bring him to a picture. Immediately, he shifted up into a breath. So that's how you train your unconscious that fast. Just the repetition, the speed that makes it happen. Let's check real quick. So can you think of a time in the future, which would happen in the past, you might have been tempted to do the old behavior, like maybe tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. Close your eyes and check in. Close your eyes and check in, and let's say it's 3 a.m. How's it feel?
Great.
Awesome. What do you do instead?
What am I doing instead?
What do you do instead of 3 a.m.? What do you do?
Oh, I'm sleeping.
That's it, man.